McKeelwork, Inc. is your one-stop commercial contractor serving the state of North Carolina. McKeelwork, Inc. specializes in both interior and exterior remodeling for your home improvement projects, including bathroom and kitchen remodels, tile setting, small electrical repairs, plumbing repairs, exterior painting, tree trimming, pressure washing, and more. Additionally, we also offer heating and air conditioning service to keep your home comfortable. Let the licensed and insured professionals at McKeelwork, Inc. provide you with HVAC service, duct installation, and total system replacements. Or let us enhance your outdoor area with a deck, screened-in porch, or pergola. You can trust in our company that is anchored in God's promise. To learn more about McKeelwork, Inc., please give us a call at 919-631-7525 or visit www.mckeelwork.com.